Hey guys, this is Daniel from Tractus3D. Thanks for watching this raffle. We had a blast at Formnext 2019. All of you guys scanned your badges. We had over 1500 users that scanned their badges to enter the raffle to win our T1250 machine. You all saw it on the Formnext 2019 where it was presented. Today we're going to select a winner randomly from the 1500 users. So I would say, let's start, don't keep waiting, and let's see who is going to win the T1250. You see, there's a big list. We had so many people, interesting people, people already in 3D printing, people that's not doing 3D printing at all. So let's hope someone who's going to have this blast of machine is going to be happy. We have a winner. It's Heiko Schwiebode from Liebherr Components Biberach. I say congratulations Heiko, and we'll send the machine as quick as possible to you.